Question number 16. Let's comprehend. In a triangle PQR, let A vector is equal to QR vector, B vector is RP vector, and C vector is PQ vector. So what is given? Three vectors, A vector, B vector, C vector, along three sides of a triangle PQR. If magnitude of vector A is 3, magnitude of vector B is equal to 4, and a relation between the vectors A, B, C, okay, the dot product there and the magnitude there. Perfect. Now what is asked? The value of magnitude of A cross B vector whole square. Let's analyze. I recall basic results. What the things are involved here. So A dot B vector we know, A cross B vector we know, the magnitude of that vector we know. So we know all these results, simple definition from the NCERT, basic results. Now also recognize vector A, B, C in the triangle PQR are like that. Vector A is QR, vector B is RP, vector C is PQ. So from triangle addition of the vectors, QR vector plus RP vector is equal to QP vector, which is minus of PQ vector because PQ vector is given in this form. So that gives us vector A plus vector B is equal to minus of C vector. And this result, magnitude of vector A is 3, magnitude of vector B is 4. This is equal to 3 by 7. Now magnitude of vector A cross B is magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B into sine theta, which is 3 into 4 into sine theta, 12 sine theta. So I have this value and the magnitude of vector A cross B in terms of theta. So I need to find the value of sine theta. If I get this value, I'll get the magnitude of vector A cross B whole square. So I calculate now. This relation gives us 3 upon 7 and vector relation between vector A, B, C. We put the value of vector C here, which is minus A vector minus B vector. Then we simplify this, gives us A vector dot A vector is equal to magnitude of vector A square and A dot B, all these simple results, basic calculation. So we got A dot B is equal to minus 6. Now A dot B is equal to AB cos theta. So we got cos theta is equal to this minus half. So sine theta will be root 3 upon 2. Now cos theta is negative, sine theta is positive. Why? Because angle between the two vectors is from 0 to pi. If cos theta is negative, means angle is from pi by 2 to pi, for which sine theta is positive. So I got the value of magnitude of vector A cross B whole square. It is 108. I got the answer. It is 108. No trick, no complication, no mystery. This is my approach. Straight, simple approach, SS approach. No trick, no complication, no mystery. My name is Shishir Sani. I'm graduate of IIT Roorkee, class of 96. IIT JEE coach since 99. Thank you. This is my approach. Straight, simple approach, SS approach. No trick, no complication, no mystery. My name is Shishir Sani. I'm graduate of IIT Roorkee, class of 96. IIT JEE coach since 99. Thank you.